Hello, Bob, Wes. This is the board. This is the board. I got the FPGA on it and it looks very pretty. Everything's on there. It's got a clock, it's got the power rails, it's got here the switching power supply that's up and running. This one, this is the coil, this is the integrated circuit. It's incredible how small this is. And here are some big diodes. Well, big, they're not so big. For protecting reverse polarity. We have the automatic switch. This is where the power connector goes. We have the automatic switch for switching between USB power and external power. So this is a power MOSFET, this little thing, this SOP23. I did solder the tile in there. Looks very pretty, I think. Did that by hand, combined with reflow in my vapor phase. I have some video on that. I might show that later. Could be interesting for people just playing along at home. This is our USB-C connector. As you can see, this is a very nice one because the pins are on the outside, so we can manually solder this. So yeah, it does the USB handshake, reports as a serial device. You can see the 0 ohm resistors that I added on the transmit and receive and all the other signals, so we can experiment. This is a driver for the LEDs that are here, and I have series resistors in the lines, the drivers, going to the peripherals. Anything else? Yeah, this is the LED that needs to burn if the image is loaded into the FPGA. This is our 25 megahertz crystal oscillator, which we can decouple, of course. Here are some extra I/O points for connecting stuff during test. This is an inverter, so if we need to invert some signal, we can do that on the board. This is all the LEDs for the power rails, so we have 2 times the 3.3 volts. We have the USB input voltage, we have the 1.2 volt. What am I missing? There's another one. I need to look at the schematic. But all the power rails are there, so that's good. Yeah. Now I need to start testing with the real functions of the thing. So that was the update. Hope you're doing okay. Talk to you later. Oh yeah, I did this recording with OBS on Linux, but I've always also tried it on Windows 10 and it also works. So yeah, and that's another subject for another video. So see you later.